Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn Unit 5.1 Addition and Subtraction of Decimal. In our previous video we have learned that how to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction, and in today's video we are going to learn how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Before learning this, first we have to learn that what are like decimals and what are unlike decimals. Like decimals. Like decimals have same number of decimal places. For example, 3.24, 76.45, 0.98, 2038.12. In all these numbers we have same decimal place. We have two decimal places in all these numbers. So these numbers are like decimals. Unlike decimals have different number of decimal places. For example, 7.103, 567.90, 1.0938. In all these numbers we have different decimal places. In first one we have 3 decimal places, in second one we have 2, and in last one we have 4 decimal places. So these are called unlike decimals. I have repeated once again. Like decimals are those who have same number of decimal places, and unlike decimals are those who have different number of decimal places. Now let's learn how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Here are some examples. 7.89, 5.902, 123.7 and 0.23. All these numbers are unlike decimals, and we have to convert and we have to make them like decimals. First of all, we have to see that what is the maximum number of decimal place in all these numbers. In first one we have 2 decimal places. In second one we have 3 decimal places. In third one we have 1 decimal place, and in fourth one we have 2 decimal places, which means that we have to make them like decimal with 3 decimal places. Now let's learn the conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. First one is 7.89. We have 2 decimal places and we have to make 3 decimal places to make it like decimal. So for this we just have to add 0 to the right of the decimal point, decimal digit. Now we have 3 decimal places after adding 0 to the right of the decimal point. In second one we have 5.902. It is already 3 decimal place, so we just write it as it is. In third one we have 123.7. We have 1 decimal place and we have to make it 3, so we just add 2 0 to the right of the decimal place to make it like decimal. And in last one we have 0.23. We have 2 decimal place and we just add 1 0 to make it like decimal. And now we have all these are like decimal because all these numbers have same number of same decimal places. I hope you all have understood how to convert unlike into like decimals. Now let's learn addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. You all know that how to add or subtract numbers, but in today's video we are going to learn that how to add and subtract decimal numbers. And here are example. This picture is from your book. In this picture there are some steps to add and subtract decimal numbers. So the step number 1 is line up the decimals vertically. We just have to line up the decimals which we have to add or subtract vertically. 8.5 and 3.47, and in subtraction we write it same, 8.5 and 3.47. Now step number 2 is add a 0 placeholder to the right of any number as needed. Now here we need a 0, so in second step we just add 0 where the 0 is needed to make it like decimal. Now 8.50 and 3.47 are like decimals. Similarly in subtraction we add 0 after 5 to make it like decimal. So in step number 2, when we add or subtract decimal number, we can add 0 to make the numbers like decimal. Now step number 3 is begin from the lowest place value, add or subtract from the right to the left. Now start adding or subtracting from the right to the left. Now we have 0 and 7. 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. And similarly in subtraction, we cannot subtract 0 from 7, so we take carry from 5, so it will become 10. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. Now it's 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And step number 4 is bring down the decimal. After solving this part, we have to bring down the decimal point as it is, as you can see in this picture. Now solve the rest of the part. Now we have 3 and 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 and 8 minus 3 is 5. We can check our answer. We can check to access whether or not your answer is reasonable. We can check the answer by adding the whole numbers. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So the answer is right. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is right. Now these are the steps to add or subtract decimal number. Let's do the question. Let's work task 1 part 2. Add the following. We have two decimal numbers, 230.55 plus 0.503. So in first step we line up the decimal vertically like this, and in second step we add 0 where it is needed. So we add 0 over here and zeros over here to make the numbers like decimals. Now we start from the right side. So 0 plus 3, 3, 5 plus 0, 5, and 5 plus 5, 10. So we write 0 and 1 carry. Now we bring down the decimal point as it is, and then 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 0, 3, and 2 plus 0, 2. So this is the answer. Now let's do part I, which is 457.74 minus 5.2002. First step. Okay, we can do the last 5 steps by checking that whether our answer is right or wrong. So the whole number is 2, 3, 1. After carry it's 1 plus 0, 0. So the answer plus 0. So the answer is equals to 2, 3, 1. So our answer is right.